Good afternoon, my name is Seb and I'm the Commercial Manager of CEME Business Park out in Rainham in East London, and today I'm going to be answering the question, what is a flexible workspace? For CEME, flexible workspace means the ability to be able to give 30 days notice whenever you need to take on additional space, or whether you need to reduce the amount of space that you have, or whether you just need to leave completely. With flexible workspaces, you generally just pay one bill a month, and that includes your rents, your service charge, your maintenance costs, your insurances, your serviced reception, your Wi-Fi, all packaged up into one manageable bundle, which makes it easier to plan ahead. Flexible workspaces are not just for start-up and small businesses, they're also for big businesses that are just not quite sure where they're going to be in a year's time, or what their business is going to look like in a year's time. This can be perfect for a customer that's just not confident enough to take on a long-term commitment, especially in times of disruption. CEME has a selection of 130 workspaces across campus, from 200 square foot fully serviced offices to 2,000 square foot industrial and engineering workshops. So if the COVID-19 crisis has made you think twice about renewing your office lease, maybe consider taking something a little bit more flexible instead? Give CEME a call today.